All right, so welcome back to Whitehouse Farm. What we're doing today, we're gonna go ahead and change the transmission fluid on the Tahoe here. Um, this should be done regularly, like 30 to 60,000 miles. Um, but I also wanted to talk about a lot of people like doing the flush, and unless your vehicle has been continuously maintained and flushed, if you've had it from new and you know what's been done to it and your fluid's really clean, that's the only time I would really recommend doing a flush other than just replacing it like we're going to do today. Because what happens is when they flush it, they push all the fluid out, and what happens is the little particles and stuff could be from heating up, and you have clutches in your transmission, and these particles will get in between there and almost acts like sand, and that can actually cause your transmission to fail. So a lot of people, they have high mileage vehicles and they don't do it regularly, and then they get a flush done, and then all of a sudden now they're having trouble with their transmission. They're having a lot of issues, and that's what it is. It's because they had it flushed, and unfortunately that pushes a lot of the junk that's in there into the clutches and everything, and it just, like I said, it acts like sand, and it just wears it away, and you're doomed for imminent failure. I'll put it that way. But we're not doing that today. We're just doing a regular, we're going to drain the transmission fluid that's in here, and then we're going to fill it with some new stuff because it is time to get that done. So let's go ahead and hop into it. And that was the brown stuff there. You can see brown. Should be nice and red. All right, so we did our transfer shift case already. So we got some empty ATF bottles, and we're gonna go ahead and start draining, or actually siphoning out the transmission fluid in here. You can, if you want, you can change out your transmission fluid by taking the pan off on the bottom, and then cleaning the magnet that's in there, putting a new gasket on, changing out the plastic filter, which it's plastic and it has like a steel screen in it. And if you saw from my other videos, like the Nissan and stuff like that, it's really not worth all that trouble unless you have leaks and stuff. Doing all that, it's time consuming, and you really don't need to. Here I'm just freshening up the fluids. So let's go ahead and start getting the transmission fluid out and getting the new stuff in. There, and I connected the two tubes there, and that's the size hose that I used. Now we should be able to start siphoning that out. Oh yeah. Let me get the light here, because you gotta be able to see the color of this. It's like a black, dark brown. You can see how nasty it is. And we're just gonna start pumping that all out of there, get as much out as we can. All right. So I think that's as good as we're gonna get it. We got all that out there. Definitely need those 2 hoses there if you want to do this. Otherwise, you won't be able to, because this big hose won't reach all the way down in there and all the way down into the pan. So, all right, we could take this out now. I mean, and you can see how that should be a bright red, and it's more like a brown. So, all right, let's go ahead and start topping it off now. Fill it right back up. And this does take 5 of these quarts, but we're probably only, depending on how much we're able to get out, maybe 4, 3.5. We'll see. That's how it should look, that nice bright red color. All right, it's starting to rain out, so let's get the rest of these in. All right, we got her running. Go ahead and check the tranny. See how the fluid is. And hot. We're right up at the hot where we're supposed to be. So let's go ahead and take her for a ride and see how she does. Shifting nice and smooth. Driving good, no noises. That's always a plus. Got my airbag light on. That sensor's got to be replaced just because it's over 10 years now. And got my rear tire sensor. That'll probably be the next thing I do. But all right, driving nice and smooth though. No noises, shifting good. All right, one more check. We're back. All right, and we're right where we need to be. And it's actually red again. So we're all set here. All right, so it's all set, and we're ready to go another, I don't know, however long this thing lasts now. But at least we got some fresh fluid in there, and we're good to go. Make sure to check out my other videos, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf, we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye, Obo.
Hi, guys.